When you travel with GLA, you get the chance to grow and develop in an area you're interested in. Every program is centered around a specific theme that connects the service projects, adventure activities, learning activities, and guest speakers together. On a GLA Environmental Stewardship program, you'll do hands-on work to protect the natural world and the communities that depend on it. You'll contribute to vital habitat restoration endeavours and collaborate with experts on pressing issues for planetary health. As you explore natural wonders found nowhere else on the planet, contribute to environmental service by collecting biodiversity data, reducing ocean contamination, advocating for conservation, or restoring natural habitat. If you're looking for an even deeper dive, GLA offers a limited selection of 21-day travel internships for students who want to take their learning experience to the next level. Our program themes are meant for self-discovery and the development of core learning objectives. Make an impact in a way that's important to you. Have questions? Visit us at experiencegla.com/themes.